Why do we hiccup? One day, a little girl named Lily was having lunch when she suddenly started to hiccup.
Why do I hiccup? What's happening in my body?
Just then, a tiny fairy named Sparkle appeared to explain what was happening.
Hi Lily. I'm Sparkle, the hiccup fairy. Let me tell you why you're hiccuping.
Sparkle explained that hiccups happen because of a muscle in our chest called the diaphragm.
Hiccups happen when a muscle called the diaphragm gets out of rhythm.
Sparkle told Lily that the diaphragm helps us breathe by moving up and down.
The diaphragm moves up and down like a pump, helping you breathe in and out.
Sparkle explained that hiccups happen when the diaphragm moves too quickly.
Sometimes the diaphragm moves too fast or jumps, and that's when you get hiccups.
Lily asked why the diaphragm jumps, and Sparkle explained that it can happen when you eat or drink too fast.
Why does the diaphragm jump like that?
It can happen if you eat or drink too quickly, or even when you're excited or nervous.
Sparkle told Lily that when the diaphragm jumps, it pushes air through the voice box and makes the hic sound.
When the diaphragm jumps, air moves through your voice box, making the hic sound.
Lily asked how she could stop hiccups, and Sparkle explained that holding your breath or drinking water slowly can help.
How can I stop my hiccups?
You can try holding your breath or drinking water slowly. That helps calm the diaphragm.
Lily tried drinking water slowly, and her hiccups went away. She smiled and thanked Sparkle for the explanation.
Thank you, Sparkle. My hiccups are gone.
Lily learned that hiccups are just a funny way her body reminds her to slow down when eating, and she couldn't wait to tell her friends.
Now I know that hiccups are just my body's way of reminding me to slow down.